Hello, how are you? What's up? How is going on? Today I find something interesting website, so like to share with you the edit.org. With the same website, this is using for something interesting. That website I find from Google. That is something interesting to improve the professional images and one-click tap. So that is very much interesting. So let's explore this website and register my account first. So I like to register my account for my Gmail. Yes, Gmail is good something. I have to register, then I have to explore something interesting website. Okay, that's great. So there are many things I need to discover. There is also like many templates I see there. If I would like to say YouTube thumbnails. I'm a YouTuber, so I like to have a YouTube thumbnail. So what category I find something new? Wow, there is YouTube thumbnails. Yes, there is something interesting. So I like to go to expand something, and that is something good, amazing. There are amazing thumbnail, like I say, gaming mindset. There are more mindset, and I like to create more thumbnails for that is something important. There are more things that is category. Need to explore on category that are find on education. Wow, this is something. Education is my category, is the right category. That is for me. That is more interesting. I find education. Okay, that is online editing again and again. There is billion something that, and especially for there is gaming, there are a number of things. It is something interesting. So I like to create something thumbnails like amazing that is easy to make it, and more things I have to explore. So I will create first my gaming thumbnail for my YouTube channels or something channels have something interesting, my editing video. So let's have to dive into YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so for this I will change new video new video, learn with me. I am online now. Even I can have to increase my font size of this font. Yes, that is amazing. And I need to change this image. Okay, I need to replace. Okay, this I have to delete this image. I have to add my image to add photo. Okay, upload from this photo and photos footage selection, new video. Wow, that is something amazing. I need to drag that. Easy to do, I think so. Yeah, that is something amazing. So that I need to have okay, that is something I need to set alignment on the back. Okay, there is something opacity. Okay, I need to bring it back. The option that is called bring it back. Okay, that's wonderful. Do you want this object to copy? This is copy option actually. Yeah, creating many copies. Again, copy. Okay, that is the option for link. That is the option for set as background. Wow. Okay, this is something easy. If I want this photo to this, set as background. Okay, I need to say set as a background, and it is delete this photo. Unlock this image. Okay, this was photo on background. If I delete this photo and delete this photo and set one click by tapping one click, this will be goes on. Set as background. That is something amazing effects, and I need to go for this new video. Okay, it's wonderful. Okay, the new video. Okay, that's something easy, and I have to need to save. There is option download JPG, PNG, and vector file. So I have in high quality PNG file. That is something amazing. So finally I got it. New video, and that is something amazing. So the monthly subscription of this video is something amazing software. Using this is monthly $7, and by this video is premium upgrade. For annually I've go for this. This is called $59, and this will be PayPal credit card upgrade for this monthly subscription, and annually for the $59 that this need to upgrade. And upgrade, what is the price comparison of this? Okay, everything I create for restaurants and things that, and premium activate and block. So the more guiding things, there are more things for small business. Wow, the flyer for the small business. I must say the small business flyer. Wow, that's this amazing flyer. So I need to explore this header with a small business flyer. Let's suppose a flyer of pizza. I must say pizza. Okay, this is a wonderful. So I guide the whole menu of the things on easily. One paper format. This is something radish. That is amazing. Wow, I need to zoom it. Wow. Okay, and I need to add it on it. Okay, that's great. And there my pizza name is Awesome Pizza, Awesome Party, and I have to give the rates and take away, change the phone number and things, and my logo. If I need to add my logo, replace it. Search pizza. There is also a picture. Okay, I need to replace this pizza. That is amazing. Wow, it's good, excellent. And there is a line option. I need to add lines over here with a blue color lines. Okay, dark blue. Wow. Need to add text. Add me. See, order now. Click to over there. Need to zoom it. I see there. Okay, there's 20%, 30%. And I directly go for the 25%. Okay, order now. I need to replace over here. Order now. That is something amazing. Wow, cool. So 10% I do see, and I need to save. Download and save. Save in which file? Save as okay, I need to download. Okay, that's great. Okay, did this save to my folder or somewhere else? That is something amazing. That's great. Change size, add vector. Okay, that's great. And I can discover something new. So I can find everything in this video. Wow. That is amazing.